What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motovlog. Happy Monday morning for me, maybe Wednesday for you. Today, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I was going to do a video, but the lighting in the garage was very poor, as was the storm that came through that really would have ruined any audio I would have recorded. But I got my new Avon V Cruiser grips put on. The verse part and customizing the bike. I'm going to take a look at those. Look pretty nice. So we're going to give them a little test spin on the way to work now. So what's been going on the last week and a half or so, guys? I tell you, I had a very fun filled and relaxing vacation. Me and my wife went down to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We mainly went for opening season for the Penguins hockey game, but we also did lots of other cool stuff when we were there. But anyway, we had an excellent time. I'm going to go ahead and cut to some footage of the trip for you guys to check out. And I'll see you in a bit. So, and of course, we had a really excellent time all in all. I thought it was the perfect trip. It was the best Pittsburgh trip ever, because we saw a win. You know, the Penguins team, they always know how to give me a heart attack. That game ended up being, what was it, 7-6. It went to overtime. Penguins got a power play and won it in overtime. It was awesome. But no, we actually got to do a lot more touristy stuff. The Andy Warhol Museum, you saw the clips from there. That was amazing. That was actually way better than I thought it would be. That guy was into really strange stuff. But, I mean, that's artists sometimes. Artists are sometimes weird people. Whatever makes you have that individuality is what makes you weird, I guess, and what also can lead to being a good artist, if that's your thing. The incline we went up, that was cool to see. It was almost like a roller coaster ride, and you know, the thing went pretty slow, but it was weird because me and my wife were just checking out all the sights around us, and then you got the locals that just use it for transportation to go up and down the hill. So like, they're sitting there reading their books, reading their phones, and we're just kind of looking around like, oh my god, this is so awesome. But no, I know when you're local to a place, it's, you know, you kind of take those things for granted. Even a guy we stopped at a shop at down on the south side said the same thing. He's like, yeah, we kind of take advantage of that stuff around here, but it really is neat. And it really is, because we don't have that around here. And then you go to the St. Louis, we have the Arch, which you could ride up on, but, you know, nothing like that. That is, I mean, the view up there was just breathtaking. And it did rain on us a couple days we were there, but, I mean, of course we're there for a hockey game, and we're not really there to do much outside. We did a little walking on a couple of days, so we actually got caught in the rain leaving TGI Fridays the night we got down there. And the Fridays is located inside, well, it's a part of the Penguins arena. And, you know, we went there and had dinner. We were there a couple hours, had some drinks. So we walked back to the room because we were tired from our travels and, you know, being up since, I think we got up at like 4 in the morning to drive out there. And we walked out and it was kind of barely drizzling. So, all right, okay, we could do this. Let's head back to the room. Well, we got like a block up, and then like 2 blocks over we had to go. We got that first block up, it started pouring. So we're soaked. It's not doing us any good to run, but we're running, and it's kind of uphill, so it sucks even more. So that's kind of how that night went. It was actually fun though. We really laughed it off. The free shuttle driver was sitting there. We're standing there right when we walked in. He was like, "Man, you guys got wet." We was like, "Yeah." He's like, "You should have called me." I was like, "Well, we didn't think it was going to start pouring like that. It was barely raining when we left." I was like, next time, we'll learn. We know now. But the Wednesday was the day we went and we did all the fun stuff. We went to the Warhol Museum, we went up the incline, and it was actually great weather that Wednesday. Had a very cool time. Ended up across the river at Joe's Crab Shack, over by where the rail took us up and down the hill. Very cool. Great view, decent food. Then Thursday was game day, so we went down to the south side and had some permanis. And if you've never had a permani sandwich, or maybe a Lucky's sandwich from up in Chicago, pretty much how it goes is you have bread, you have tomato, coleslaw, fries, and then your meat of your choosing. It's a really awesome sandwich. It's like a whole meal, like between 2 slices of bread. So we were there. I actually got to try Yuengling Oktoberfest for the first time. It was okay. I think I prefer Sam Adams over that. And then they had a Spirit of Halloween store Jackie went into to look for some stuff. We ended up at the Cheesecake Factory afterwards. We did that actually last time. It was awesome. We, you know, we got some drinks, had a slice of cheesecake, and then we had the game that night, and that was amazing. Penguins scored the first goal, and the building just erupted. It was awesome. But the game was so tight. It was so close, and I'm just glad we got to see another win, because last time we saw a win, and that was the first time we had seen a win in Pittsburgh. So we made it 2 in a row this time, so I'm real happy about that. Then Friday morning we headed out, and it kind of sucked too, because, you know, we checked out the hotel, we started making our way out of Pittsburgh, and we actually got lost. I mean, you don't always get lost because you have GPS on your phones, but it's really kind of tricky to get out of Pittsburgh, especially once you get over the bridges. And the route that our GPS took us, it ended up getting us lost in like some residential part where we had to make, I don't know how many left and right turns before we actually got onto the interstate. It was actually a little setback, but You know, we found our way, got back through, got a little rained on the way home. It actually probably about the hardest I've ever seen it rain in Indiana, but made it home unscathed. All right, glad to see the kids when we got home, and hung out. We took the kids to the zoo again on Sunday. We had pretty good weather. We thought it was supposed to rain, but had a good time. You know what was cool about the zoo is they had Zootoberfest going on, so they had beer vendors there, and you could buy little plastic mugs. You know, they had the little St. Louis Zoo logo on it and Zootoberfest on it. They had those you could buy. You know, you could walk around the zoo, look at some animals, and have a beer. It was pretty awesome. So all in all, I had a great vacation. We had a great time. We thought it was, me and my wife talked like it was the perfect getaway vacation. Now, sure, it would have been more perfect if we went to, let's say, Florida or something. But for the type of vacation we took, it was perfect. And I really don't want to go back to work. But the only thing that really motivated me to get out today was hopping back on the Sport Glide for not being on it for a week and a half. Well, let's say a week. But it is good to be back. It is good to be back in the saddle on the bike. And it's good to be talking to you guys again. Anyway, it's time to get back to the grind. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Helps out the channel tremendously. If you're new here, subscribe. Hit that bell icon when you subscribe. That way you know I got videos out just like this one. As always, and until next video, take it sleazy.